Cooking with Diegos. Today we're going to be making vegetarian enchiladas.
So today we'll be using a Mexican chili, cumin, smoked paprika, poblanos, parsley, zucchini, black beans, a roast capsicum, string beans, onion, tomato, and we can't forget our lower carb Diego's wrap.
So now we got the enchilada filling ready. Now we're gonna follow by putting it all together. So here you go, one, sure, one for me. So we're just gonna add the veggie mix first, and then we'll put some cheese inside. Yeah, that's it. We'll roll it. Make them fat, big and thick. Maybe a bit more. And then we just roll them. They don't have to be tied.
Just loose.
Just loose, that's right. And then we've got a dish ready. So we're gonna pour some of our enchilada sauce that we previously made. Just pour some over the dish, at the bottom of it. Yeah. Now we'll put him in there. Sure?
Yep.
I'll do mine, you do yours. Nice. And I will pour some sour cream.
Like that?
Just like that.
A bit more?
Yeah, just a little bit, then I pour some of the sauce and then we add more. That's right, I'm gonna pour some of this sauce. And then we add a bit more. Yes, like hips. Yes. A bit more on the side, at the end. Yes. That's it. Great, and then more cheese the better. Just put it on top. And just to garnish. So we're gonna put some onion rings. Our oven is ready. And we're just gonna bake them for about 15 minutes until the cheese is melted.
Yeah, how hot?
About 160.
160 degrees.
Yeah, everything's cooked, so it just needs to be melted.
Perfect.
Perfect. Are you ready for your enchilada, Sean?
Yes, please.
Here we go. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
I hope you're hungry. Yeah,
That's
let's put some
great.
garnish on. And they're all yours.
Nice.
Do you know why the enchiladas are called enchiladas, Sean?
I don't.
Well, they actually, enchilada means they have it in Chile. And that's why it's got a lot of extra sauce in it. It's meant to be swimming in it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
So, there you go.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. I'll give you a hand.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that.
These turned out great.
Yes. Well, let's dig into it.
Yeah.
I have this in. Not that big hard. Not bad.